This is the first unboxing video Galaxy Buds 3 white color, and tomorrow Samsung officially unpacked Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro. Galaxy Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro price in South Korea are already leaks. Now, we're getting a hands-on look at the earbuds and their retail packaging, and what appears to be a set of LED strips on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Images posted by Ice Universe on Twitter/X show the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in the same gray color we've been seeing for a while now. This image shows the buds in what looks like the official retail packaging. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will have an in-ear design with silicone tips, while the Galaxy Buds 3 will be open-ear, similar to the AirPods 3. Both of the Buds 3 models will be available in two colors, silver and white, along with IP57 for dust and water resistance, and of course SmartThings Find, so you won't have to worry about losing your earbuds. Buds 3 will also offer 24-bit audio at up to 96 kHz. The other main difference will be battery life, with 5 hours with ANC on for Buds 3 and 6 hours with ANC on for Buds 3 Pro. The cases are also slightly different sizes, with Buds 3 offering up to 24 hours of battery life with the case and 30 hours on the Buds 3 Pro. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will have a 500 mAh battery in the case. The capacity of the Buds 58 mAh batteries. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will have blade lights, but the regular Buds 3 don't have them. The Pro Buds will also have adaptive noise control and ambient sound, which will automatically balance how much or how little you hear from your surroundings. Both versions will support Bluetooth 5.3 with auto switch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.